Stand upright with feet or heels together. Imagine a thread fixed to the top of the head, which gently pulls the head up, simultaneously lengthening the spine. Relax the shoulders, pushing them slightly back. Bring the chin in. In a Zendo, the hands do not hang by the side, but are placed on the midriff, left over right, one on top of the other, with fingers together, not entwined. Place the hands together in front of the chest, with fingers and thumbs together, not splayed out. This hand position is known as Gassho. Notice the hands are at a 45-degree angle away from the chest. Avoid tension gathering in the shoulders and elbows. Keeping the back straight, the bow is executed. The movement is continuous, down and up, with the hands moving towards the face on the downward movement and moving back into their original position on the upward movement. Commonly, the bow is to 45 degrees. However, some temples and centres advocate a full bow. The bow can also be performed from the seated position. In this case, it is a half bow, usually made at the end of a meditation period. After formal meditation and the dedication of merit for the benefit of all beings, there is a final prostration to the Buddha. The hands are placed on the floor in front of you if you are on a cushion, or on or over your knees if on a chair. The middle and index fingers are overlapped with the left on top of the right, which is underneath. The forehead is placed on top of the hands. Here are some common mistakes made when bowing. Standing with the feet apart. Gassho with fingers splayed. Bowing with the head coming upwards. Curling the bow and not keeping the back straight. Stopping partway through, resulting in a stilted bow. Remember, the bow is one continuous movement. Perhaps most importantly is the sincerity of the bow. Bowing is a devotional act that's used to express gratitude and goodwill from oneself to all beings, in recognition that we all share the wonderful Buddha nature.